Greetings everyone, Esther's here, and today I'm going to have a final reveal on Five Nights at Freddy's Sister Location Funko action figures. But today we don't have any packaging because this action figure comes from all the boxes. It needs some time for me to grab it. Yeah, all of the boxes because Funko wants you to buy the entire series, so you need to buy all of this to get all the pieces. So maybe just buy it online or something. I'm not sure if someone really sells them online because I won't check it. I never checked it. So this time we're going to have a review on Ennard. Oh, okay, yeah, I still haven't connected them all. So hands, legs. So let me remember which comes from which. The head and torso comes from baby, of course. And both hands, left and right, comes from Blower. And this left leg comes from Funtime Foxy's set. And the right leg comes from Freddy. Okay. So without further ado, let's just connect them all together. Okay, it looks like it's quite tight. Yeah, wow, super tight. I wonder, can I take them off next time? You know what? Let's just do this again. Oh, I haven't. Okay, there we go. Aha. Yeah. Hey. We need you so we can hide. We need you so we have somewhere to go. So here we have it, Ennard. From all 4 animatronics. Do you really need to count Bonbon? I won't count it since she's stuck with Freddy. So whatever. It's just. Yeah, is Bonbon in this? I'm not sure. So, yeah, I'm kind of curious. Is Bonbon inside Ennard right now? Let's count how many eyeballs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's 5. That's 5. That's 5 eyeballs. But let's see. The blue one's from Freddy. And this reddish pink one is from below. I'm sure of it since I really watch some gameplays videos. And the green one from baby down here, and a yellow one, okay, from Foxy, but it's not really that yellow, it's more like brown. Okay, and the last eyeball is on the back of the side of Ennard's face, white side, and it's blue as well, so it must come from Freddy. But yeah, where's Bonbon then? Maybe Bonbon's line is in there, but it used Freddy's eyes. Yeah, I'm not sure why. Ennard will put his eye here instead of in his mask. Well, I think it just got one to make it more creepier. So I think Ennard can put the other eye in the white side, but just want to make it scarier. So let's just look around and see any cool parts around this. Oh, I wonder why Ennard will put a kind of a button here. Yeah. Since Ennard is kind of a casual animatronic instead of some fancy animatronic, I wonder why Ennard have time to decorate itself with a mask, a hat, I have no idea where that come from, and this button. And it's just quite funny. Okay, so anywhere else to see? Yeah, the entire body is made of this kind of string or wire. Yeah. Oh, and what is Ennard mean? Is it just a name or is something else? Is this word have a meaning? Let me go Google Translate and see anything comes out. Oh, it's just a name. Yeah, I can't translate. Okay, so looks like there's no really meanings of Ennard's name. So continue with the music and let's continue looking this cool and creepy looking figure. Yeah, I think this animatronic might scare a lot of people, especially the children that gets nightmare from this creepy looking animatronics. Oh, let's see, can I pose this? Oh, it's going to get you. Yeah, like quite nice. Yeah, that is quite interesting that this figure, the build yourself figure, can is it build yourself? Yeah, I think it's the same thing. It's this tight and it's hard to break apart. Yeah, because all the other animatronics is quite easy. And I have a video of Bloa in Chinese, in Cantonese, and I break her hand apart a lot, especially this part. So it's quite interesting that this figure, you need to buy its body parts separately, but can be this durable, this durable, and anything word good to use. And this is not easy to break apart. Quite interesting to see this. Nice work on this exclusive figure. Is it really exclusive? Not really. Whatever. So about the mask is quite interesting. I wonder where this teeth come from. Yeah, the teeth. Does any animatronic have this kind of teeth? I'm not really sure. Does Bloa have any teeth? I think it comes from Bloa. Yeah, I think it does. It's quite funny that Ennard lies to the player about before you get to the scooping room and say Bloa is following you, but instead of Bloa, it's really Ennard because of the blue eyes. And in another merchandise, the minifigure of Ennard, the brick minifigure of Ennard from Fallen Toys, if you remove the mask, you will really see that face, and it's the same in the game. That lies to you is Bloa. It's quite funny. So any pose that I can make Ennard do, because I'm not sure what can Ennard really do except scaring people. Yeah, it won't really entertain people, does it? I don't think so. It's quite fake. No, not fake. No. What's this? It's so thin. Is it thin? It's flat. Yeah, it's flat. Yeah, and it's quite flat here. It's super flat. The other animatronic is much more. Yeah, much more pop out. Yeah, interesting. Super flat. It's like you are making a gingerbread man and you just roll it over and you makes it this flat. So that should be it, since I can't really tell anything else from it. It's just a lot of robot parts. And it just looks naked. Yeah. Just a bunch of endoskeleton parts and combine this zombie looking, creepy looking animatronic that wants to scare your souls out and get free from this pizzeria. But you're safe, this is not a pizzeria, this is just my home. Just my little house. Not house, apartment, yeah. Well, that's it. The entire series of this sister location action figures. So how should I put this, since this didn't really appear in the trailer? Let's have Ennard sit. Okay, great. Now the legs are coming apart. Yeah, looks like Ennard cannot sit. I can't see that. Yeah, can he really sit? Yeah, looks like yeah, it just comes off. Yeah, quite funny that the only thing that Ennard cannot do is sit. Oh wait, I just need to rotate it. Okay. After I rotate it, Ennard can sit. Just needs kind of a weird way to do so. Okay, now just coming back apart. I just said it's doable, and now it's just falling apart. Great. So turn her like this, and finally sit down and enjoy the show. Is it? Oh wait. Oh, the back of. Oh no. Oh no. And let's have the hands here and help balancing the body. So baby here, and finally Freddy and Bonnie. Oh wait, below is too short to be at the back. Anything that I can a book? No, book's too let's just Angry Bird. I found it. Yeah, some kind of lead. There we go. Yeah, I wish maybe I will put Blowout on some turntable and make her spin around like a music box. That would be quite cool. Okay, so baby, a bit more to the white of you. You're white. Okay, there we go. So finally, we have all 5 figures revealed. Thank God. So at the future, I might do some animation of these. Yeah, not too smooth, but not too lagging as well. Yeah, I think it might be 15 to 30 frames. Yeah, just animation that looks good. So great to see you all. So nothing else to say. Yeah, great, I'm fine with it. So see you next time.